The scandal at Stafford Hospital exposed a collapse in standards of care which put hundreds of vulnerable people in danger. It led to patient safety in the NHS coming under intense scrutiny. The fallout from Stafford has included calls for a duty of candour. In other words, making sure that when things do go wrong, patients and their families are told the truth. The Health Secretary in England is set to make that a legal obligation for organisations and says the NHS must learn from what happened at Stafford.
We really want this to be a turning point for the NHS to help us become the safest healthcare system in the world. And that's why we've launched this campaign. We're encouraging hospitals throughout the country to sign up to safety and to commit to reducing avoidable harm by half over the next 3 years.
Ministers believe a change in culture will save not just lives but also deaths, and it can be done. Here at Salford Royal, staff have worked hard to turn this hospital around, meaning it's now one of the safest in the whole of the NHS. That's meant a big reduction in things like falls and hospital-acquired infections and, most importantly, patient deaths.
It's recognising that the ideas for improvement are going to be found on the shop floor with our nurses and other staff, having some great ideas and being allowed to test those ideas and see whether they result in improvement.
Patient groups calling for a duty of candour have welcomed Mr Hunt's announcement and say it's now up to the NHS in Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland to follow suit. Dominic Hughes, BBC News.